Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Pisces people, first of all, we'll talk about your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So Pisces, this is your current energy, 9 of Swords. It seems like you are anxious about something, okay? You did your part, now you are worried what is going to happen in future. This could be with regards to your relationship with your partner. This could be with regards to your job, your career, your finances. Something is there which is not letting you sleep. You are going through some terrific moments of your life, and this is the reason you are feeling anxious, you are sad, you are worried. What will happen? Did I give my 100%? So many questions are there in your mind, Pisces, because you are not sure what's going to happen in future, and that thing is making you really sick and tired. And for most of you Pisces, I feel that you are waiting for some results or some kind of a confirmation. This confirmation could be from your partner, could be from someone else, could be from your current organization. But if I talk about from a love angle, I feel that you are waiting some kind of a solid thing, some kind of a answer, some reply from your partner's end. And this is the reason you are feeling anxious and sad. On the other hand, we have the Hermit and Queen of Cups. These two cards are your partner's current energy, Pisces. With these two cards, I feel that this person has a lot of emotions for you, alright? This person is someone who has emotions, who adores you, who respects you, who love you, but they are still taking their own time to confront their emotions, okay? Perhaps they are just observing how you behave, what's your mindset, okay? Perhaps this is a time for you, this is your testing time. Perhaps they are testing your patience. Or for some of you Pisces, it seems like your person is going through some tough time in their life. They are experiencing some hard time in life, and this is the reason they are not thinking much about you at this point of time. And yes, you are there in their back in their mind 24/7, but still they are not taking any action towards you. They are taking all the time on their particular thing. This could be their project, this could be their commitment from other people with regards to their career, with regards to their job, with regards to their other responsibilities towards their own family and friends. All right, now let's see, Pisces, what is the mutual current energy between you and them? What is the mutual current energy between Pisces and their person? Abundance. Okay, it seems like both of you are someone who must be experiencing a lot of abundance and prosperity in terms of your finances, in terms of your materialistic things, okay? Perhaps both of you comes from a very well-to-do family, okay? And both of you are enjoying the best time of your life. Both of you are enjoying the best luxuries of the life, all right? So in that scenario, in that case, both of you are on the same page. But if I talk about your personal feelings towards each other, it seems like someone is holding back and someone is getting afraid. Now let's see, Pisces, how your person sees you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. Politics, compromise, and experience. Okay. Pisces, with this first card, politics, it seems like your person thinks about you that you are someone who is going through some kind of a politics in your own family, in your own friend circle. Okay, perhaps you are being somebody who has been guided wrong by someone. Okay, this could be your family, this could be your loved ones, or it could also happen for some of you Pisces that your person is not able to figure out what exactly you are. Somewhere somehow your own gestures confuse them, what you want, what you are up to. Your oversensitive persona, your oversensitive behavior arise questions for them. Why this person is like this way? Are they playing any kind of politics with me or something like that? So either you are going through some politics in your own family, in your own loved ones, or you are someone, I mean, as per your partner, you are someone who is playing politics with them. You are not showing what you are exactly, what is your true intentions with them. This is the reason your person is holding back their emotions. All right, the current action which your person is taking towards you is compromise. With this card, your person must be going through, as I told you, that this person must be going through some dark time or some hard time. But at this point of time, when it comes to taking any action towards you, they are compromising on a lot of things. This is what they feel. They must be compromising on their social life, they must be compromising on their family, they must be compromising on their work. Something is there on which they are compromising a lot. All right, because they have to give you some time or some quality time, so they cannot give you the entire time, hence they are compromising on a lot of things right now. The future is saying experiencing. The way they are analyzing you right now with this Hermit card, with this experiencing card, it seems like Pisces, your person is going to collect all the experiences which they had been, or which they are going to get from you in future, and accordingly they will take some action towards you. Since we can see that this lady is standing next to this tree which is full of flowers and all that, so I'm seeing that at the end of the day they are going to see the true colors of yours, how genuine your emotions are towards them, how genuine is your love towards them. Okay, so right now they are taking action towards you, but they have to, and they must be compromising on a lot of things. All right, so Pisces, it seems like some of you could be dealing with Virgo. We have water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio in this reading, so some of you could be dealing with that too. We have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in this reading, so yeah, some of you could be connected with them as well. We have earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading, and fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in this reading. So Pisces people, if any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.